Check this out. I got this 87 Nissan pickup right here. The engine is trash. I'm about ready to pull it out of there. And this one is actually a four-wheel drive. So what I'm gonna do to this truck, I'm gonna put this Vortec motor in there. It's a 350 Chevy. Came out of 96 Chevy Suburban. So it got 255 horsepower, 330 foot-pounds of torque. Then over here, I got the transfer case for it. It's a 231C. I think it's a 231C. What does it say there? Oh, sorry. 243C. It's the electronic transfer case. I'm gonna somehow modify it, make the electric motor work, to shift gears. I'm not gonna have neutral, it's gonna be 2 low, 4 high, and 4 low, but screw it, that's fine. It's a little, just for fun anyway, it's a little beat up truck. And it came out of this Suburban over here. Belonged to my cousin's friend. Been in an accident, so I'm gonna try to scavenge as much parts out of this, like the exhaust and throttle cable, the shift cable, and but yeah, that's what the engine came out of. And I'm just gonna try to get as much parts out of it for my little pickup. So going back over here. Go ahead and see if I take the engine out.
It's Wendy from Car America. I start every morning, except Sundays, thinking about my business and how I can improve the buying experience for my customers. Folks are telling me that the process of buying a car should never be intimidating, no matter the situation. The process shouldn't take forever because their time is valuable. The quality of the vehicle they purchase must be impeccable because the fear of buying a quality pre-owned vehicle is one of their greatest anxieties. And customers want to buy as close as possible to a new car without the new car prices. I can tell you right now, these top 4 customer requirements are my requirements. Stop by Car America, meet my team, look at our inventory, and you'll find the buying experience that was created by the big box dealers is based on their needs, not yours. I got you. I listen. I'm here right now to meet your needs. Come see me.
I see people do this all the time, but I see them doing it on tour. Sometimes I see anybody do it. They are. So designed to intake valves and fuel injectors clean and emissions to a minimum. Tri-Clean gasoline is not designed to also clean up french fries and organize loose change on the inside of your car while you're driving. Nor is it designed to identify the source of that funky smell in the back seat. It is not specially formulated to intercede in the verbal assurance of children while you're on your way to soccer practice or help you talk your way out of a traffic citation. Once again, Tri-Clean gasoline from Citgo is designed to keep intake valves and fuel injectors clean and emissions to a minimum. The engine avoids performance-robbing deposits and runs smoothly. For complete information, visit fuelinggood.com. Please note, nowhere does it claim Tri-Clean gasoline